गुड आफ्टरनून स्टूडेंट। तो आज हम कुछ न्यूमेरिकल डिस्कस करेंगे जो ऑलरेडी एचडीयू क्वेश्चन पेपर में लास्ट सेशंस में अब ऑलरेडी वो आस्क पूछे जा चुके हैं। इन आईटीसी हमने बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स पे न्यूमेरिकल लगाए हैं, जैसे आपका कन्वोल्यूशन इनकोडर पे, देन हैमिंग कोड एंड देन चैनल्स, एंड देन इन फर्स्ट यूनिट दैट इज अबाउट द नंबर ऑफ एंट्रोपीज एंड म्यूचुअल इंफॉर्मेशन। Now today I am going to discuss the numerical जो आपका डिस्कस है about the convolution encoder। तो न्यूमेरिकल आपका ये है the convolutional encoder has the following two generator sequences, each of length 3, the same as the constant length k is equal to 3. Now first is the input top adder output path. That is G01, G11 and G21 is equal to 1, 1, 1. Then next G02, G12 1, 0, 1. Now find the following first one is the draw the encoder diagram. Second one, top and bottom output sequences for input sequence 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, and last part find the code word for input message sequence 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 using transfer domain approach. And the second one is here also, that is input bottom adder output path. ये आपका complete numerical है. The conversion encoder has the following two generator sequence at each of the length 3, the same as the constant length, that is k is equal to 3, and these are the generating sequence, the first one and second one, and which are represented by the 111 and the 101. Now we have to find the following. The first one is the draw the encoder diagram. Second one is the top and bottom output sequence for input sequence, and 1011, 10011, and last find the code word for input message sequence 10011 using the transfer domain approach. Now in solution, the first part we have to draw the encoder diagram. Now what will be the encoder diagram? Just like solution, and the first will be the first. अगर हम लिखना चाहें, it means here we can say there are the two generating sequence, means there are the two modulo atoms which are used here, and we know the length of the message generating sequence is 3. Now the what will be the value of capital M? We know the value of capital M is equal to small m minus 1 is equal to capital M is the number of shift in the encoder diagram. Means if we put the single input या message bit, how many number of shift is there, which is totally depend upon this, and where m is the number of sequence in which the represent the string length, that is here, like in that genetic sequence the string length will be the 3. Here that is the 3 minus 1, and that is equal to 2. Means there are the two shifting means there are the two flip flop which are used in that in the figure of the encoder diagram. Now here we take the first flip flop and then second flip flop, that is the flip flop 1, flip flop 2. After that, and this indicate here is the message sequence, and here is the current message bit M. Here is the M1 and here is the M2. Now according to the first genetic sequence, and all the three message 3 M, the value of n, that is M, M1 and M2 are connected, because the one indicate the input connected to the output, या input connected with the modulo adder. Here we make the first there are two modulo adder depend upon the number of genetic sequence. Here there are the two genetic sequence, means that there are the two modulo adders which are used, and here we can say that the modulo adder, the first one is a 111, means this will be connected, this will be connected, and this will be connected, and finally here we get the output 1. Now according to second genetic sequence, here the genetic sequence 101 means the first M and last M2 are connected, and this one is not connected. Means here we take this sequence like this, and this sequence like this, and here is the output 2, and finally we get the output here. Simply we are using the switch to get the one by one output here, and we get the output. Now this is the encoder block diagram by using this genetic sequence, and this is the first part of your question जो हमने discuss किया. Now the next part, what will be the top and bottom output sequence for the input sequence messages? Means we have to calculate when this is the message sequence, then what will be the the top and bottom output, means here is the top genetic sequence and here is the bottom genetic sequence. We have to calculate the output sequence in the bit stream. Now I think so this will be the clear, आपको clear हो गया होगा. Now second part. Second part, there is the message bit stream, message bit stream आपका है 10011. Then what is the message polynomial? Message polynomial, that is MP is equal to, here we write, this correspond to the p to the power 0, that is 1 p square plus p cube plus p to the power 4. Here I am using the polynomial method because already written in the next part, that is by using the transfer domain approach. In transfer domain approach, there is the method to get the output by using the message polynomial. Now this is the message stream, and by using the concept of the polynomial, simply here we write the message polynomial in the form of the MP, and we get the 1 p to the power 3 and p to the power 4. Okay, and after that to obtain output 1 G1P is the generating polynomial and is equal to, and according to sequence this one, इसके जो वैल्यू होगा 1 प्लस p स्क्वायर, ये आपका वैल्यू होगा. ऐसा हमने राइट कर, जैसे हमने उसको लिखा ऐसे हमने इसको लिख दिया 1 इंटू पी टू द पावर 0 प्लस 1 इंटू पी टू द पावर 1 प्लस 1 इंटू पी टू द पावर 2. ये आपका पॉलिनोमियल हो गया टू ऑब्टेन द सीक्वेंस 1. एंड नाउ अगेन to obtain output 2 G2P is the generating polynomial is equal to 101 means 1 into p to the power 0, that is 1 plus p का टर्म आपका स्किप हो जाएगा प्लस p square. So here we get all the polynomials like as message polynomial and then generating polynomial, that is the first generating polynomial to get the output 1, and this is second polynomial to get the output second. Now the output polynomial one is equal to MP into G1P, or this represented by C1P is equal to MP आपका जो है 1 प्लस p क्यूब प्लस p4 and G1P is equal to 1 plus p square. Simply we have to multiply here 1 plus p cube p4 plus p power 4 p power 5 then p square p power 5 plus p की पावर 6. सिंपली हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया है और हमने आपसे बोला था हमें क्या करना है, हमें 1 बाई 1 राइट को करना है, दैट इज 1 हो गया आपका. फिर हम चेक करेंगे हमारा कोई p है आपका, दैट इज 1 प्लस p. Then what is the value? Then p square written in the here p cube p to the power 4 p, also p square is there, plus, and after that p to the power 3 also single time, p to the power 3 plus p to the power 4 two time, it cannot return, p to the power 5 two time not return, but p to the power 6. Okay, and okay, and this p multiply with p. Okay, right. And after that, this is the polynomial. Here we get the polynomial, and what will be the sequence now? Sequence output sequence 1 is equal to आपका हो गया 1, then 1 1 1 0 0 1. This will be the right answer. Okay, this is the output sequence 1, and this is the first, and this is the top. This is called the top output top sequence. Now output polynomial 2, that is C2P is equal to MP into G2P. Simply write here is equal to MP 1 plus P cube plus P to the power 4, and G square G2P is equal to here 1 plus P square, 1 plus P square. We simple multiply 1 plus P cube plus P to the power 4 p square plus p to the power 5 plus p to the power 6. 1 plus p square plus p cube plus p to the power 4 plus p to the power 5 plus p to the power 6. Now output bottom sequence 2 is equal to 1 1 1 1 1. No, second term is missing. Okay, and 1. Uh, p square, p cube, p to the power 4. Okay, this is the sequence. Now this is second part. This is the output sequence, that is the bottom, and this is the top. Now the last part, what will be the last part? Simply we have to multiplex or interleave to get the final output code word, and which written like this. We have to multiplex 1 by 1 bits from the bit stream. We know the output sequence P1 is equal to 1 1 1 1 0 0 1, and output sequence P2 is equal to 1 0 1 1 1 1 1. Now multiplex like this. Now the final code word is equal to 11, 10, 11, 11, 01, 01, 11. Now this is the code C, final code word corresponding to the message sequence 10011, एंड दिस हमने ये वैल्यूज फाइंड किया। तो किस तरीके से आपने देखा, आपने बाय यूजिंग द ट्रांसफर मेथड, ट्रांसफर डोमेन मेथड, हियर वी विल गेट द फाइनल कोड वर्ड जो ऑलरेडी आपने फाइंड किया हुआ है। तो ये आपका न्यूमेरिकल था और ये क्वेश्चन आपका पूछा था आईटीसी के पेपर में सेशन 2018-19, इस सेशन में ये आपका क्वेश्चन था, इसमें पूछा गया था और दिस इज द आंसर। इसी सेशन का एक और आपका न्यूमेरिकल है, वो न्यूमेरिकल मैं डिस्कस कर देता हूँ। एक थोड़ा सा और न्यूमेरिकल आपका है that corresponds to हैमिंग कोड, आपने पढ़ा होगा, उसके से रिलेटेड है आपका ये। तो आई थिंक आपको ये न्यूमेरिकल समझ आएगा। कन्वोल्यूशन कोड पे अपने नेक्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल डिस्कस करते हैं। मैं अगला न्यूमेरिकल है आपका फॉर ए 6,3 हैमिंग कोड द parity check matrix is given by h is equal to 101 011 111 and 100 010 and 001. Now we have to calculate the first part, construct the generator matrix. Now second part, determine the code word that begins with 110। ये आपका न्यूमेरिकल है। ओके, एंड नाउ व्हाट विल बी द सॉल्यूशन। नाउ here in the numerical there is the for Hamming code 6,3 and the parity check matrix is given by, now first of all we have to calculate the so many parameters are there by taking this one and this 6,3 compared to n comma k, and on comparing we get n is equal to 3 and k is equal to 3, another value k is equal to n minus k is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3। ये आपकी वैल्यू हो गई, ठीक है। एंड आफ्टर दैट स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मेट ऑफ द, वी नो दैट h इज इक्वल टू, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मेट आपका होता है, ये आपकी मैट्रिक्स होती है और विच कैन बी रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय p ट्रांसपोज and iq, or this is the of the q cross n, and where this p ट्रांसफर मैट्रिक्स of the q cross k, और ये q cross q होता है। Okay, if we compare this one is this one, then on comparing we get p transpose is equal to 101 011 and 111, ये आपको मिल गया। This is the p transpose. Now here p transpose we can say p transpose is the transpose of matrix P. Okay. Why here we calculate P? Because we have to find the first part in generator matrix. In generator matrix, the standard format in that the matrix comprises of the square matrix and the parity matrix. Now here we have to calculate the matrix parity matrix P. Now on comparing with the this Hamming code means parity check matrix, on comparing the P transpose is equal to ऑलरेडी हमने ये मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म किया हुआ है, दैट इज ऑफ द ऑर्डर ऑफ द 3 क्रॉस 3. हियर ऑन कंपेयरिंग वी कैन सी द वैल्यू ऑफ Q इज इक्वल टू 3 एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ K इज इक्वल टू ऑल्सो 3. तो आप कंपेयर करेंगे, दोनों की वैल्यू आपकी सेम है, तो आपको जो मैट्रिक्स मिलेगा वो 3 क्रॉस 3 का मैट्रिक्स मिलेगा. नाउ फॉर द जनरेटर मैट्रिक्स वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द P. नाउ हियर वी कैन सी दैट P transpose P to party is the transpose of matrix P. Now we have to calculate the P. Again here we take the P transpose. Now P is equal to simply written as a symbol of the transpose here written here, and the 1 0 1 0 1 1 and triple 1. If you take the transpose, means row can be converted into column and column can be converted into the row. Means here we get the matrix is of the order of 1 0 1 0 1 1 and 1 1 1. ये आपको मैट्रिक्स मिल गया, और it is also of the 3 cross 3. Okay, then what will be the generator matrix? As we know, generator matrix simply given by the standard format which are written like this, that is G is equal to standard format I K cross K semicolon and P K cross Q. Means here also this is 3 cross 3, already K Q आपका K भी 3 है और Q भी 3 है. This is the identity matrix आपका ये हो जाएगा just written like this 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1 identity matrix. और P अभी आपने फाइंड किया हुआ है 1 0 1 and 0 1 1 and finally 1 1 1. This is the answer of the first part. This is the generator matrix. Okay. Now the second part, that is we have to calculate the code word that begins with the 110. 110 means, as we know in the channel coding, some extra bit or check bits are added to the message bit. Then here begin with means this is the message bit. Now by using the message bit we have to calculate the code bits or the check bits. How it can be calculated? As we know the formula C is equal to MP. C is equal to MP. Now second part, C is equal to MP. C is the code, M is the message and P is the parity with the matrix हमने जो find किया. Now MP is the 110 and P already calculated है, and what will be the P? That is 101 011 and 111. Here first of all, after before the multiplication of the matrix, we have to check the column of the first matrix and row of second matrix. It should be same. Here the matrix of 1 cross 3 and here the 3 cross 3. Then here we get the matrix of the 1 cross 3. We have to multiply 1 into 1 1 0 and 0. Simply here we get 1 okay, multiply by 1 into 1 1 into 0, simply we get 1. Again multiply this 0 1 and 0, again 1, and after that this multiply 1 plus 1 and 0. मीन्स आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे वी गेट 110. अब मीन्स आप जब इसको मल्टीप्लाई करें इसके साथ, तब इसको मल्टीप्लाई करें, देयर इज द मॉडुलो साइन बिटवीन जस्ट लाइक द एक्सओर ऑपरेशन. तो अगर हम ये चेक करना, अगर आप नंबर वन अगर आपकी ऑड है तो वैल्यू आपकी क्या होगी, सिंगल 1 होगा. नंबर वन अगर आपकी इवन है तो वो वैल्यू 0 होगी. ये मिल गया. दिस इज द कोड, दैट व्हाट विल बी द कोड वर्ड. Code word is equal to, first of all write message bit, that is 110, and the check bits also 110. This is the answer. Now this is the second numerical which already asked in session 18-19 तो आई थिंक सो आप लोगों को ये क्लियर हुआ होगा। दिस इज ऑल अबाउट टुडे टॉपिक। इन कमिंग लेक्चर हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि नेक्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल और भी आपके सेशंस के जो पेपर हैं। ओके, थैंक यू।